Okay, class, eyes on me, eyes on me.
Eyes on you, teacher.
Napakagina naman. Again, eyes on me, eyes on me.
Eyes on you, teacher.
So I have some questions for you to ask, no? So what was our main topic today? Yes, what was our main topic for today? Very good. So what was the four main components of INDP? Anyone? Yes, Joy? Give you one.
Industrial arts teacher.
What else? Yes, Mary Rose.
Home economics teacher.
Danielle?
Agriculture teacher.
Very good. And the last one is? What? Very good. So, I have a question. So, how is industrial art different from home economics? Yes, Michelle? How is industrial art different from home economics?
Industrial art consists of skills like carpentry, electrical works, and metal works. While home economics is managing the house, budgeting, cooking teacher.
Very good. So another question. So how is agriculture similar and connected to entrepreneurship? Yes, Mary Rose.
Agriculture is they are the one who produce products and raw materials. And connected to entrepreneurship is the one who sell and bring money to that product that produces agriculture.
Very good. So in your own words, class, why all of these areas are connected under the IPP? Again, in your own words, why all of these areas are connected under the IPP? Yes, Brian? Yes, good. What are the 5 theories of entrepreneurship? Yes, Michelle? Yes.
First, economic theory. Second, sociological theory. Third is psychological theory. And fourth is opportunity-based theory. And 5 is the resource-based theory.
Very good. Now for the last question. Can anyone choose one theory and explain why people start a business based on that theory? Yes? Julia?
I choose the economic theory because people start because they have money or the market needs. For example, you can open outside some resources family needs industry or open sa open station because nangin nila open water.
Very good. Let's give them all clap. So in connection to our topic for today, we will have a group activity and this will be the mechanics of our activity. So the class will be divided into 4 groups. Can you please count up 1 to 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
3.
Okay, so each group will be given a different task related to our topic, industrial arts, home economics, agriculture, and entrepreneurship. So you will have 7 minutes to prepare your output, roleplay, or presentation. And each group will present for 3 to 5 minutes. All members must participate, and you should be creative, work as a team, and connect your tasks to the lesson. So, group 1, please proceed here. Group 2, 3, and 4. So before we proceed, you proceed to your preparation to your assigned task. Let's first present to you the rubrics and participation. For 10 points, if the first criteria shows very clear and deep understanding of the topic, all details are correct and explained well. 8 points for shows clear understanding, minor errors. 6 points for shows some understanding, few missing or unclear details, and 4.4 shows little understanding, many errors or incomplete. And for the second criteria, you will get 10 points if your presentation is very creative, engaging, and well presented, captures attention. 8 points for creative and clear, presentation is interesting. 6 points for sound creativity, presentation is understandable but late, and 4 points for lacks creativity, presentation is confusing or dull. For the third criteria, you will get 10 points if the skills and concepts are applied very well and strongly connected to real life. 8 points for skills and concepts are applied well with real life. 6 points for some application or skills or concepts connection to real life is limited, and 4 points for very limited or no application of skills or concepts. And for the last criteria, you will get 10 points if all of the members actively participate, excellent cooperation and teamwork. 8 points for most members participate, good cooperation. 6 points for some members participate, teamwork is fair, and 4 points for few members participate, teamwork is fair. So, am I understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, can you please proceed to your respective groups? 3, 1.
Ako naman ako. Si Jem.